If you are new on this channel, smash the subscribe button, put post notification on, and enjoy this video. Dennis cannot wait to start metal detection, and he has found already 3 bullets.
To waterproof the ammo.
So, what did you find?
Wow,
Wow, nice.
Just in this little spot right here.
imagine. And this field is pretty big.
Yeah, and we haven't even gone into the forest, we're just on the field here, so...
You did not find it in the ground, it was laying on the ground.
No, it sat like half an inch or something under the... So I just had to put the grass aside a little bit and maybe dig a small little hole, and then you can just see them laying here like that, so...
The metal plate has gone here. Some part is completely rotten. Okay guys, we're gonna have a look inside this tank. And as you can see, there is a lot of trash. It's a big shame. People come over here and throw their drink cans. Look, and there is a hole there. I shoot, I guess. And as you can see, a lot of trash here. The barrel to put the shells inside. If you have to move and live inside the tank in the war. And I'm not sure if everything gonna be complete on this tank. A lot of parts are already missing. This is the radiator. Over there it's gonna be the motor. Still wondering if they still should running. No idea. This was probably a gasoline tank or oil, hydraulic oil. Look a little bit different than the other one, because this is gonna be another model, another type of tank. Look. To control the tank, I cannot explain everything. And I'm not sure, but I think this is to place the shells inside.
Yep.
Yeah, to protect them so they're not gonna fly out when they drive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 32. No, maybe a little bit more. And this is gonna be the place for the driver over there. There you can see the pedals. No idea, look like a munition box. This is gonna be to place something also inside.
wasn't even deep. I think this is an MG one. You can see by the dent, that's from the ejector from the MG. So
look at the view of this forest. It's very beautiful. Those pillars, they are actually to keep the tanks away, so they cannot pass. This is amazing. It's so beautiful. Now I don't know how far it goes. Wow. Shoes? And do you think they military shoes?
I don't know.
Conserve pot. We have found a way to go inside the swamp, and yeah, let's throw the magnet. Hold on. I feel like something stuck at the magnet, but there also could be some wood inside. We have to find something. It's not possible if we're not gonna find something. Oh,
But there's another pond we can also check out.
we have found nothing in this pool, sadly. Look at this, guys, how it's hidden. You almost cannot see it. I'm gonna leave my bucket outside. Oh. But look how creepy it is. I like it so much. Look like a jungle.
Yeah.
Look, there is a bunker. Look at this, guys. Just found another one. And it look like they from plastic. It's not. I don't know what it is. Look, believe it or not, but look, they look like they have some plastic around. They are blank bullets. Look, just another one. Look, another one here. There's a frog inside my bucket with my magnet. We're going to show you one more tank, and then we have to make sure we get out of the forest. As you can see, it starts to get dark. Not much graffiti on. I think this is the most beautiful one of the day we have seen. Look different than all the other ones. Oh, look inside. Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh. Oh, I get the cramps. Look, the seat to control the tank. The hole for shooting with the gun. Look how small it is. A lot of trash inside. Look over there, something to control. Look at this. I think that's a bullet. I'm gonna try to take it. Hold on. If I can reach it. Yeah, look. Another bullet inside the tank here. I don't think there's gonna be something left behind in this tank. Too many people has been already inside to check it out. So.
And I'll catch you on the next adventure.
Bye bye.